Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Cash App to your US debit card, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Locate the balance displayed on the home screen. Tap on the balance to access withdrawal options. Select the option labeled Cash Out. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Tap on Cash Out again to proceed. Next, select your preferred transfer speed. You can choose between instant and standard options. If you select instant, be aware that a small fee will apply. For standard, the transfer will arrive in 1 to 3 business days and is free. After choosing your speed, select your US debit card. If you haven't linked a debit card yet, you will need to do so now. Follow the prompts to add your debit card details. Once linked, confirm the withdrawal. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Tap Confirm to finalize the transaction. You will receive a confirmation notification once the process is complete. Check your bank account to verify the funds have arrived. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn from Cash App to your US debit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.